Daddy may struggle all the breadfruit. What the breadfruit roll off a while ago. My God, the breadfruit still feel cool. Need more wood. Oy, this a fire blow and burn me right here, so. Daddy! Watch there! Smoke a burn me in my eye! Oh! As somebody give me one breadfruit off of them tree, what am I do? I have ackee in the freezer. I'm going to buy a piece of saltfish, so I have to try and sort it out. Mighty God, we need more wood to the fire. Alright? Watch me now. Laugh. Yes. Watch me now. Watch me now.
Thousand years later.
Wait. I don't like how Mr. Man them do it. Yeah, take piece of there, so stop it. I never just go buy some coal. Or most if on a gas stove. You see me enough? Enough. Alright, get on the piece of nail. They're supposed to go down now. Fire burn out. Jesus. Boy. Oh, boy, you like. You like me gonna give up and buy coal? You come too far to give up now. Right? That side I look like it kinda doing now. Just need to come on. Put to the fire. With eyes watering, we're gonna do this. Because we are resilient. We're Jamaicans. God, don't drop off me, I beg you, make it little.
To make coal?
Ooh.
You know to make coal?
No, darling, I don't. I'm not making coal, I'm trying to get some. Alright, see me there? Yeah. Push that in the side. Here, oh God.
To make coal, you have
Never
to
expect all
light
of this.
wood on fire and just take it out the correct time.
It's not that easy. Alright, so them 2 pieces we put in a while ago, catch. Try to preserve me here from the smoke. Try to catch up some more pieces. Oh! Woo. See that fire catch? Hey! Wrong with me now. Let me say we be done, my girl. You're not getting done. You don't want to struggle for it? Okay. We keep that word. Not getting any. Oi! Try some more now so that it have enough to do it properly. I'm crying. nearly broke. So it's going. I'm gonna put the rest of it in there and leave it. Honestly, if it never roast good, me not me done. I'm gonna cut the top, put an X at the top and the bottom. That me see that they do. So the fire is supposed to seep through. Alright, let's put the rest in. My God. That's it, and then something I make people like go through this free roasted breadfruit selling. We never buy long people them price. Although some of them use cold still. Hot girl no roast breadfruit pan stove. And lazy girl do them something there. You know, so next time I stove me a bit pan. Hot girl no roast breadfruit pan stove. Whoa. No one married and I roast breadfruit pan stove. What do you hear about? You see me hype to me something and go on. Hey! If you want more with me, don't do. Can me can't bother. As a ton girl, breadfruits are roast. Turn it on the other side. By the time I'm done, put it in there. But I roast. Nobody can tell me say it now roast. Whether I roast through good or not, it's gonna be fried with the ackee and saltfish. Oh. The last piece I give you a little bit of yeah, no, I'm putting the last piece as is. Large chop off my hand. Watch it puss. The things I have to do to get Jamaican food. The struggles. I just needed some roast breadfruit with ackee and saltfish. A joke at the smoke. Smoke make me cry. See that? It's a wow thing. Don't tell me it's a wow thing. Watch it. Roll off again. Try and fix it. Honestly, now I put no more food in it. I'm tired. Would I roast food or not? I eat this. You see how this take long to burn out? And then you type of wood there. This take long. The plastic stick and put it in there, see? When they say it's up like breadfruit, you know, round and just big mutton. Fire the breeze and blow it. That's it. That's it. Must go slow. So I watch it and wait. First, no respect for this. Watch my underwork. Struggles. at the girl on the side, them no roast breadfruit. You see it? Anyways, let me not at here. See it here now. Coming down. It look like things go on feet, don't it? Look like things go on feet. I'll make it cool. Scrape him off. And you see it coming up like that, that's the salt. So you just decrease the heat. So this is it. That's the saltfish. Yes, smoke, I can't see. Anyways, the saltfish are boil while the breadfruit cooling. Boil out some of the water. I mean the salt, boil out some of the salt. So the ackee season brought us a lot of ackee, so I had frozen some. So the ackee gone, still have the frozen ackee. I have some fish seasoning, onion, garlic, tomato. Some people say tomato enough for when ackee and saltfish. That are people when I like tomato, but let me know what you think. Pepper, I love spicy, and some bell pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. This is the moment of truth.
Move your big head, not just.
See what?
You might cut off your finger.
Yes. I say if it's off.
Once we get there, we'll go straight about.
Oh, shut up. Why? Look at roast breadfruit. Move from here, so lie, I tell.
So, Mr. Tour saying, I buy my breadfruit in a supermarket, roasted and peeled, and I stay in a packet.
The breadfruit, yeah. Well roast. See, girl? Ready for fry, you know. Yeah, girl. Roast my breadfruit from scratch with wood fire. See there? So it feel good. It roast. My labor never go in vain. Let's see me I do this again forever. First and last.
Me buy green breadfruit. That's the first thing. It after roast first.
I get it. Why? Smell nice. Who beg now? Get una beg now.
Don't know?
Yeah. So cups of food. Hello, hold on, yeah, here we go. Hold on. Here we go. Them could have eat by themselves. Look, see? Very nice. Yeah, then you put up a chat in. Me I do a video. Very nice. Move from here, so see them could have even eat without trying. Very nice. No, they're not quite fast.